Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to check if any YouTube video is blocked or restricted in specific countries instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, first open the YouTube Video Region Restriction Checker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, simply paste your video link into the YouTube video URL box and click the Check Video Restrictions button. The tool will immediately load your restriction status, displaying your thumbnail, title, views, likes, comments, and the global status, showing whether the video is available globally or restricted. Below that, under Affected Countries, you will see a detailed breakdown of blocked or allowed regions, or a confirmation if no region restrictions are detected.